A fat cat has a hat. It saw a rat under a bed. A pet hen sat sat in sat in the sun. The pink dog, the pink pig did hop on the wet, wet mop. A big dog had a log. Yet had hot tea in a cup.
Underline the vowel sounds. First,
A.
In fat, which one is vowel sound?
Vowel sound. A.
Next. Yes. Next. In a hat, which one? Okay, that is also vowel sound. Yes. Yes. Next line. In it, which is vowel sound? It. I am asking it.
E.
What is that? Spell it.
I.
Yes. I is a.
I is a vowel sound.
Yes. In saw, which is vowel sound?
U.
Yes. Next.
A.
Rat word. In that, which is vowel sound?
A.
Yes. Next.
U.
Under. Yes. U is a vowel sound. Next.
A.
Yes. In bed word, which is vowel sound?
E.
Yes.
And
Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Vowel sound? E. Yes. Next.
next. A.
A-H-E-N. Hen. In that, which one?
E.
H-E-N. Hen. Which is vowel sound?
E.
Yes. Next. Sat. A. Yes. Next. In. In which is vowel sound? In spell. In word, which is vowel sound?
I.
Yes. Next.
Next. T.
In the. Next. In the. The. Which is vowel sound?
E.
Yes. And sun. Vowel sound is U. Okay.
The E. I.
Yes.
I.
Yes.
I.
Yes. Correct.
O.
Right. Good boy.
O.
Yes. Next.
And E.
Yes.
And E.
Again E. Yes.
Again O.
Yeah.
And one more time I.
Yes. Next.
One more time
See
O.
there. A big. A is there still.
This
This side. A big. Starting alphabet. A big. A is also.
O also.
Yes. Big.
I.
Yes.
O.
Yeah.
And
Correct.
A.
Yes. Next.
A.
Hmm.
And O.
Yes. Good boy.
And O.
I had. I.
I.
Yes.
A.
Yes.
E.
In hot O. Yes. E. Say it first. AK. E and
A.
yes, both are vowel sounds. Correct.
And in
In that I is vowel sound. Correct.
A. This is A. Is vowel sound.
Yes. In next word.
This is
Which one that?
U.
What is that word?
Cup.
Yes. In cup, U is a vowel sound. Yes. Right. Good boy.
Bye.